CoMakery helps you gather a tribe to achieve big missions. To achieve your big mission, you need to bring people together around a common vision. Let them know what they will get by contributing and organize the work. The CoMakery platform helps you do this with missions, projects, task workflows, tokens, and payments. Let's check it out. To get started, you can organize an ecosystem of projects around a larger mission like accelerating open source integration of Holochain or prototyping innovations to achieve UN sustainability goals with IBM. Missions help coordinate people, projects, and tokens all the way down to the task level. You can add a new mission to the platform on your white-labeled version of CoMakery or contact CoMakery to add a featured mission on CoMakery.com. You can also add your project to an existing mission on the CoMakery platform. From the menu, you can visit My Projects, where you can see all available projects on the site. Click New Project to start a new one of your own. Projects are associated with a token. This is how workers will be paid for completing tasks. Tokens can represent US dollars, like USDC and True USD tokens. They also can be associated with a blockchain project like Bitcoin, Ether, Quantum, or DAO Stack. Get in touch with CoMakery if you want to use a token that represents royalties, revenue shares, or stock. Provide a title, description, and even a video overview to help people understand the goals and details of the project. Give an overall budget. Select the visibility, make it public, or only allow project members to view the project and its tasks. Project members are people who sign in to CoMakery using a Discord guild or Slack team that is associated with the project. If you choose Unlisted URL, only the people you share the URL with will be able to see the project page. Decide whether the completed task payments are publicly visible. Provide the legal owner of the project. Then attach images which will act as the header on the project landing page. To finalize your setup, add a communication channel on Slack or Discord, where team members can be recruited, discuss your tasks, and get notified about task progress. Here's what the messages will look like inside of your Slack channel when you accept a completed task. An owner now has a landing page to help market the project and gather interest. Let's add some tasks to the project. Batches are groups of tasks. You can think of them like milestones. Once a batch is created, tasks can be added. Creating a task is simple. Task details include a title, the expected benefits of the task being completed, an image, description, and the experience level a freelancer should have to be eligible to work on this task. Sometimes you may want a task to be completed multiple times. There is an option to choose the number of times a task should be done and whether a contributor can work on the same task more than once. Let the contributor know where to submit the work, such as a GitHub project URL, social media URL, or Google Form URL. Then save the task. Once tasks are created, they will be displayed on the project landing page, creating a valuable central hub to promote your project. Tasks will also appear for people to work on in their My Tasks page, if they are qualified to work on the task and the project settings make the project visible to them. Tasks are easy to track and manage on the My Tasks tab, from started to accepted to paid. See which tasks need to be reviewed, accept or reject the work, and then pay the contributor. From the Payments page, a payment can be made via a variety of wallet integrations, including the MetaMask and the Crypto Wallet Chrome extensions, as well as the Trezor and Nano Ledger hardware wallets. The icon for the supported wallet will appear next to the Send link on the Payments page. Click on the Send link to start the transaction. Your wallet will open to initiate payment. Once you pay, the blockchain transaction will appear on the Payments page. Now you know how to use CoMakery. Now it's time to gather your tribe to achieve your big mission.